Mr. Technical.
Okay. All right.
Where are you shooting
Man, this
from?
is hard to see at. Probably about right here.
Yeah, you gotta kind of look down and make sure it's on record because you gotta hit that record button.
All right, should I go live, Bob? Ready?
Hang on, let me make sure.
We're live, Houston.
All right, here we go. Bobby's shooting the oven, which is down here. Let me zoom in real quick. As the oven, we have two 2.5 pounders at the bottom of that and a milk jug.
Oh shit! Woo!
Wow.
Holy Jesus!
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh my God, that was awesome! I just got hit with something. You get hit with
Well,
something?
I was not even really, like,
this.
I was not.